answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 28. Agricultural productivity may be increased if A. Educational institution is established in rural areas. B. Commercial banks are established in the rural areas. C. Most infrastructural facilities are provided in the rural areas. And D. Labor-intensive method of agriculture. So the concept we are looking at here is agricultural productivity, and how do you increase or enhance agricultural productivity. So agricultural productivity basically entails maximizing production of agricultural resources. Now, we know that agriculture is mostly practiced in the rural areas, and the rural areas is where most farmers or producers of agricultural resources are located. So when agricultural produce or resources are obtained, transportation of the agricultural resources has to be done to the urban areas and even to other rural areas that may lack those resources. Alternatively, storage is also another option until depending on when the product can get to the market. So in order for agricultural productivity to be maximized, in order for more agricultural produce or agricultural resources to be produced, infrastructure has to be provided. Infrastructure could include roads, good roads, so transportation can be made easier. Storage facilities as well. Storage and processing facilities could also be classified as infrastructure. So this good infrastructure basically reduces cost of transport and also decreases loss of perishable goods, especially, and most agricultural products are perishable goods. Now, option A talks about educational institution, which isn't really a relevant facility. Commercial banks, also not exactly a relevant facility. But C talks about infrastructural facilities, making sure that most infrastructural facilities are provided in the rural areas. Therefore, the correct answer is C. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.